CS6000i sewing and quilting machine offers so many features and accessories, all at a very affordable price. It boasts 60 built-in, utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, each with multiple stitch functions, an oversized table for large sewing and quilting projects, and a hard cover. Included are super wide 7mm zigzag and decorative stitches, and sew fleece, elastic, and other stretchy fabrics with the built-in stretch stitches too. This model comes complete with 10 quick change sewing and quilting feet and a quilt guide. The quick change lever makes it incredibly easy to swap feet. There are 8 styles of one-step auto-sized buttonhole stitches that are automatically sized to fit your specific buttons. The included button sewing foot assists with the easy attachment of buttons. You'll love using extra-large workspace created with the wide table for larger projects. The table slides on and off so quickly, and its legs are sturdy, giving you stability. Quilters also love that this machine allows them to drop the feed dogs to do free motion quilting. It comes with a selection of quilting feet, including a walking foot that's not often found on models in this price range. You'll find that the LCD screen is almost like having a personal sewing guide. If you're using the automatic buttonhole function and you happen to set it incorrectly, an error message appears on the screen and prevents you from making a mistake. It also tells you which foot to use, removing all the guesswork. The variable speed control and stop-start button allow you extra control when sewing. Enjoy the flatbed free-arm convertible sewing surface, very useful when sewing hems, cuffs, and sleeves. The advanced Easy Needle threading system allows your needle to be threaded with the touch of a lever. The exclusive Brother Quick-Set top-load bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. The see-through cover helps you keep track of your bobbin thread. Thread cutters are found on the bobbin winder, quick-set bobbin case, and on the machine side. The included hard case provides added protection when traveling or storing your machine. Plus, you'll love how easy the bilingual instructions are. Enjoy all the great built-in features, included accessories, and Brother support with the versatile CS6000i from Brother.